In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. Fear is a universal emotion that we all experience at some point in our lives. It's natural response to the unknown, the uncertain, or the perceived threat. However, the true challenge lies not in avoiding fear, but in finding the strength to overcome it. In every obstacle, there is an opportunity for growth. For overcoming fear is a transformative journey towards a more fulfilling life. One of the most common fear is the fear of failure. It's the hunting thought that holds us back from pursuing our dreams and taking risks. Yet history is filled with stories of individuals who turned their failure into stepping stones for success. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, once said, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Embracing failure is a part of the learning process, allows us to move forward with the resilience and determination. Another formidable fear is the fear of the unknown. The future can be uncertain and the unfamiliar can be intimidating. However, within the unknown lies the potential for discovery and growth. Think of it as an unexplored territory full of opportunities waiting to be seized. By reframing the unknown as a chance for adventure and learning, we can diminish the paralyzing effects of fear and step boldly into new experiences. Often, fear is rooted in self doubt and a lack of confidence. The fear of not being good enough or the fear of judgment from others can be crippling. It's essential to recognize that everyone, even the most successful individual, has faced self doubt at some points. The key is to challenge these negative thoughts and replace them with affirmation of self worth. Remember that you are capable, resilient, and deserving of success. Facing our fears requires a shift in perspective. Instead of viewing fear as an obstacle, see it as a compass guiding you towards personal growth. The discomfort you feel is a sign that you are pushing your boundaries, stepping out of your comfort zone, and evolving into a stronger version of yourself. Embrace the discomfort, for it is the precursor to meaningful change. Courage, the antidote of fear, is not the absence of fear but the ability to act in spite of it. Start by taking small steps outside your comfort zone. Every small victory builds confidence and diminishes fear's power. Celebrate these victories no matter how minor, as they pave the way for more significant accomplishment. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Share your fears with trusted friends or mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement. Knowing that you are not alone in your journey can be a powerful motivator. Together, you can navigate the challenges and celebrate the obstacles, creating a network of strength that helps everyone overcome their fears. Practice mindfulness in the present moment. Fear loses its grip. Focus on your breath, the sensation in your body, and the immediate surrounding. By staying present, you prevent your mind from dwelling on anxious thoughts about the future. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that empowers you to face fear with a clear and composed mind. Overcoming fear is not about eradicating it entirely, but about building the resilience to face it head on. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, the empowerment. Remember, the most significant opportunities for personal and professional development often lie on the other side of fear. Embrace the challenge, cultivate courage, and unlock the door to a more fulfilling life.